Welcome back to Fun King Garage, and today is a fantastic day. Why? Because today is the day that we leave for Hot Rod Power Tour 2023. So much work has been done to this car, and this is not the video I promised you. I promised you a video chock full of stuff that was just gonna blow the mind. You're not getting that video. I had to make a choice. I had to make the choice between getting a video out and not finishing the car and not going on Power Tour, or finishing the car and going on Power Tour and making you wait till I get back for the video. But I promise you're still going to get that video. You're going to see all the work I did, the brakes, the fuel system, everything that I did to the engine, the work that I did in the interior, and it's going to be all worth it, I promise you that. But now there's more pressing matters at hand, because it's now time for me to take my oldest son, get in the car, and leave for Hot Rod Power Tour 2023. If you're going to be there, make sure you find us and say hello. But in the meantime, we gotta go.